Meet your new taco night obsession, the layered taco melt. It's juicy beef, melted cheese, zesty salsa, and warm tortillas, all layered up for a tasty, gooey taco like you've never experienced before. And with the change of just one ingredient, I'll show you how to create this simple recipe for both keto and gluten-free lifestyles. So say goodbye to boring tacos and try a new way to taco tonight. Hi there, friends. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Luann, and I am so glad that you're here today. Start this recipe out by simply browning 1 pound of ground meat. To that, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, or you can substitute a taco seasoning packet. To that, add 2 ounces of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir and cook until everything is combined and the cream cheese is melted. I'll be using these mini springform pans for my street-sized tacos, but you can also make this using a regular-sized springform pan and large-sized tortillas. Spray your pans with nonstick spray and add 1 tortilla to the bottom. I'm using corn street-sized tacos for a gluten-free version and keto street-sized tacos for a keto version. If doing the mini version, you'll need 3 tortillas each, and you may need to trim the corn tortillas to fit. Spread a layer of refried beans to the tortillas and place them in the bottom of the pans. It's easier to hold the tortillas to do this. The next layer will be the taco meat. Now add your favorite salsa. Just spread that around and then add your cheese. Just continue to do this for another layer. This recipe is very versatile. I'm showing you the basics here today, but you can add anything to the layers that you like. This could be jalapenos, green chilies, or onions. It's totally up to you. Now just press those layers down, and then this top layer is going to be slightly different. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese to help everything stick. Then the meat and salsa, and finish it off with a good bit of cheese. If you're enjoying today's recipe, the best way to show your support for this channel is to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. While they're baking, I use this time to wash and prepare fresh tomatoes and cilantro for the top. Check these out. I'm not kidding when I say this will be your new taco night obsession. They're so full of flavor, and the layers of warm tortillas with the gooey cheese and salsa are what make these so craveable. Well, thank you so much for being here today. I hope that I hear from you below and in the next one. Bye!